Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Wagwan Tours here in İçmeler. Yeah, we're going to take a little walk. I think we're going up towards, I'm outside Ibiza bar. But yeah, I think we're coming up to the Umbrella Street. So let's have a little look, see Wagwan. You know the vibe. So, this van's going to kill me. It's not. Let's have a little look what we got here. Let me clear my throat. So you got Elite World Marmaris here. I mean, if you come to these places, obviously if you're staying in these hotels, obviously you're going to use it, but if you just stay like a couple of roads to the right or whatever to the left, I'm guessing you're not really going to come to these bars. And they've got a pool table. Am I coming up towards Umbrella Street? I don't see the umbrellas. Just going to walk in the middle of the road. So you've got Shake Bar here. I'm sure this is Umbrella Street in front of me, but there's no umbrellas. Maybe I'm incorrect. You've got Arabat Marmaris here. Right. I'm okay to cross the road. So yeah. We're going to go down here. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe Umbrella Street's up to the left. How are you? You okay?
You make a video for Umbrella Street?
For YouTube, yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Welcome to Romaron Parfum Shop back in Turkey. Nearly 100 years old, very famous brand. And welcome to shop.
Perfect.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Where's umbrellas? It's at the left.
Umbrella next soon. You make
Oh,
umbrella,
okay.
yes.
It's going to be
It's
soon.
open yet, yeah.
Okay, thank you, yeah. Okay, so there you go. I put your... Yes!
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Good morning.
Good morning.
I am Dr. Jimmy from Defnam Tourism. If you wonder what I am doing here, I am selling boat trip, quad, buggy, electric scooter, renting every day. You are more than very welcome. I am on Umbrella Street. This my friend helping me. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you. Your name is my friend?
Wagwan Tours.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Lovely to meet you.
Very welcome. Reliable price, quality service, and you're very welcome anytime. Friendly atmosphere. Thank you very much for interview.
Thank you.
Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
So yeah, umbrellas will be up later on. So you can see all the buggies over there. So you've got Buffalo here, karaoke bar. Let me go on the street so we can see everything. So you've got Buffalo here. Everyone just opened up. I think it's coming up for 11 a.m. Oh, look at all the new scooters here. Brand new scooters for you guys to rent. A lot of them. And you've got Aussies here. So we're going to go down toward Daisy's. So got some of the little lanterns up there. But yeah, let's keep going. So guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. There's a hype button as well. Again, I don't really know what the hype does. Puts you in a chart. I don't know what chart it is. The hype chart, I guess. But, you know, well, I don't get it anyway. It's a load of nonsense. Just go back to liking the videos. Dislike it if you don't like it. Check this car out. Very cool car. Old school. So you've got Daisy's coming up down there. Got İçmeler Sports. And karaoke bar, but it's got clothes in it. What's going on here then, eh? It's very much changed. It's not a bar now, is it? Free pool table and darts. Where's that then? Am I missing something, guys? If you can write in the comments and let me know what I've just missed there, because that was a clothes shop, not a bar. But yeah, so we got Daisy's here. We was here the other night, last night actually. We met up with Andy and Rachel. We was on there across the road, one of the bars, but Daisy's is fully open. It was pumping the tunes out last night. Pumping the tunes. What I do is I'm gonna walk. Where am I gonna walk? I'm gonna go down just down there and speak up. This tractor man pulling his dirt around. So that's Dolphin Square. We've got the dolphins over there. Wonder if we're bumping into Andy. I know he's around somewhere at the moment, doing his shopping. Everyone loves shopping. That's why everyone comes here, really, to shopping. One of the biggest reasons. Obviously the sunshine, the lovely people, of course. Let me know also, which one of these cash machines are you meant to use? Why are they all different? Why not just have one with all of them linked? You know what I mean? So, yeah, British bar. Everyone just chilling. Nice and early. Hi guys, you alright?
Hello mate, you okay?
Yeah, you?
Yes, I'm alright. Is this your for YouTube channel?
Yeah, for YouTube.
What do you do? Like which content do you?
Well, going tours, travel, walking around like this, showing stuff. Yeah, exactly.
Turkish.
Number one.
Hey,
Number one.
very famous. Look, please, can you take them, please?
Me as well, please. Me as well.
British bar.
Cheers, guys. Yeah. Have a good day. Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
No problem. Yeah. Have a good day.
Okay.
Bye.
You come later. You buy something.
Yeah.
Coffee or something.
No problem. So here, look, everything cheap. It's like a jumble sale in here. I think I'm gonna come and have a little search for some clothes. This time I brought 2 t-shirts because I know 100% I'm gonna buy some t-shirts, and I just bought my jeans and a pair of shorts. Normally, I'm here for 2 weeks on this trip, so I'd bring lots of clothes, but I thought this time I'm gonna get myself a lot of clothes to bring back. And guess what? I had nothing in my bag when I came, and it's filled up. I haven't brought nothing. This is the second Mr. Cheap's, the smaller one. And across here you have mint and masala, Indian and Chinese. Hello. How are you? You okay? Good. I'm good, thank you. So yeah, I need to make some room in my bag. I don't know why it's so full up. Maybe Sabrina's put all of her dirty clothes in there. Let me know if that's what your missus does. Starts filling up your bag with all the dirty laundry. But yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on. Maybe fold stuff up a bit better. Hopefully that's the only problem. Hopefully that's the only problem. It's just a few bits of dirty clothes, but we'll see. We'll see. Or do you do it to the missus? Do you fill up her bag with all your dirty clothes? That's where we've just come from. Then we've got a YOLO steakhouse. You can see it's 59 here. You get it for 60 in most places, so I don't know why it's so low. But guys, we're going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. This is Wagwan Tours. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hype up the video, and I'll catch you in the very next one.